Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add a Facebook event to calendar. If you have a Facebook event and then you want to add your event to calendar, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Just open it. Now once you are in Facebook, you just have to click on events or you might get your event here. You can see this is my event. Just click on the event to get more information. Now once you are on your event, you just have to click on these three dots and then just click on add to calendar. And here you can directly select add to calendar, or you can also select send to email. To send to your email from here, just select your email. I'm gonna select add to calendar and just click export. And once you have done, you can easily get your event will be added to your calendar. You can also try to send your email here. Just select the email you want. And once you have done, just click export and your email will be sent. You can see a link to this email has been emailed. So using this method, you can easily add your event to your calendar. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.